Welcome to our video on building effective incident response and disaster recovery plans. We'll explore practical strategies to ensure your organization is prepared for any disruption, enhancing resilience and continuity in today's volatile business environment. Incident response plans are essential for managing specific security incidents, such as data breaches or malware attacks. They provide a structured approach to swiftly identify, contain, and recover from these threats, ensuring minimal impact on operations. Disaster recovery plans, on the other hand, focus on restoring critical business functions after major disruptions. They encompass comprehensive strategies for IT recovery and continuity, ensuring the organization can resume normal operations efficiently. The key difference between incident response and disaster recovery lies in their scope. Incident response targets specific cybersecurity risks, while disaster recovery addresses broader disruptions, ensuring the entire organization can recover swiftly. An effective incident response plan involves clearly defined roles and responsibilities. This ensures coordinated action during a crisis, with designated leaders guiding the organization through identification, containment, and recovery processes. Disaster recovery plans require regular testing and updates to remain effective. Simulating realistic scenarios helps identify weaknesses, allowing organizations to refine their strategies and ensure seamless recovery in the face of disruptions. Disaster recovery plans are critical for ensuring stakeholders, clients, and investors that a business is responsibly run. They offer benefits like shorter downtimes, reduced recovery costs, and lower cyber insurance premiums. Centraleyes supports ongoing improvement by adapting to evolving cyber threats. Its collaborative features promote a unified approach to data security, ensuring all stakeholders are aligned and informed about potential vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching our video on incident response and disaster recovery plans. By integrating these strategies, organizations can navigate disruptions with clarity and efficiency, ensuring continuous operations in the face of challenges.